If you've not made money before with CPA marketing, then you need to watch this video, learn the strategy, utilize that, and make money online with CPA marketing. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This does not guarantee that you make money today, but the consistency with this simple strategy is actually going to go on to doing the job for you right there. So stick on with me as we dive right into the video. If you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kinds of content, you can scroll through the channel. There are a lot of cool videos to help you out right there. You could also go on to subscribing to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all, so that you do get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So the first thing which you want to do right here today for this strategy is to make sure, guys, we have a CPA marketing offer we want to promote. Now you could get CPA marketing offers from platforms like CPA Grip or other CPA marketing platform of your choice. I'm going to use CPA Grip right here. Click on the register if you don't have an account. You'll be brought to this page and provide your basic details on all fields with the red asterisk signs, as that indicates the required field you must fill out before an account can be created on platforms such as this. You can also note that, guys, this particular field also have the red asterisk sign, meaning that you need to just simply agree to all terms of services before you can then go on to getting an account created. Once your account has been created, go on to logging into your account. Now once you've logged into your account right now, what you need to do next is to just simply come onto this section that says offer tools option. Click on that. You'll see a drop down list of which you want to select my offers, and you'll be brought to a page that will look similar to this. You can filter this particular section to get offers from any country which you actually want to utilize right now. You can get offers from any country. Also filter the offers based on payouts by clicking on payouts. You can select a cool sweepstake offer, which is kind of like a giveaway offer, giving out cool stuff to individuals or people. And right now you can see that this is a giveaway of about $4,500 cash right now. And all they need to do is to enter their information for a chance to win. And the information which my leads need to actually enter is that they need to come from the United States, utilize an Apple iOS device, and fill in or enter their email address and zip code while actually using my unique affiliate link, and they're going to get paid this cool, or I'm going to get paid this cool affiliate commission, which is $1.02, and my leads stand the chance of winning this particular cash prize. So basically all you need to do is to, first of all, you just need to go on to right clicking on the image and save the image on your device, because we're going to utilize this image later on. So once you do save the image on your device right there, the image has been downloaded. Copy the link to this right now, and once you've copied the link, maybe I could just simply create open my notepad, and right here on my notepad I'm just going to copy the title right now. If I copy this title, go back to my notepad right there, I'm just going to paste that in right now, and I'm also going to copy the description right there. So once I copy the description and the title, I'm just going to come right here to this section. Maybe I'm going to separate that, and also come right here, click on copy link to copy the link. Now once this has been done, you then want to just simply go to creating a simple landing page for this offer right now. You could create landing pages with platforms like Webflow right here. This is an amazing platform that you can use to go on to building a professional landing page in a matter of minutes. You can also utilize platforms like Breezy Cloud or Systeme.io or even Google site right here. This is the Breezy Cloud right now. Utilize any of this cool platform, create cool and amazing landing pages. Now once your landing page has actually been created right there and linked to that CPA marketing offer, or maybe you are finding it difficult creating a landing page, go onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply type in landing page. If you do type in landing page right now and click on enter, it's going to show you some of my videos I created that are actually tutorial videos that shows you how to create simple landing pages. And this cool landing pages video, this one shows you how to create a landing page with Google Sites, this with Systeme.io, this with Breezy Cloud, this with Webflow. If you keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see some cool videos that shows you how to easily create cool and amazing landing pages. Now once you've actually done that right now and created a landing page, and that landing page is linked to your CPA marketing offer, we're going to promote that using a very cool platform called the adstomp.com. This is an amazing platform you could leverage to go into promoting your CPA marketing offers. Now you can see right now that you could just simply select the country which you want to utilize right now. You can see that these are the countries available right now. You can select the United States or any country of your choice. To select a country, come onto this section, click on select country, and you'll be brought to this section. Select the country of your choice. Maybe I want to select United States, and if I do select that, guys, the page is actually going to go on to loading up, and you can see more details about that right there. So all you need to do right now is that you just need to click on add listing after signing up to the platform. It is quite easy to sign up to the platform because without signing, guys, you'll be able to see a register icon right there. Click on that and register. Now once you've signed up right there and you click on that particular add listing, you will be brought to this page where you want to select a category for that particular offer which you want to promote right now. Now you could come right here, select the category. As you can see right now, I'm not actually viewing the category, I can't see that properly, but what you can do right now is to just simply type in, select the type, if it's private, individual or professional. Maybe I'm going to select private. You want to add in a title of which we can actually go on to getting right now from this our notepad. So I'm going to paste in the link right now to that offer, or the link to the landing page right now. So you want to just simply copy this title right here, copy the title, paste that in right in this section. Now you can actually go on to writing a very cool description, and after writing that description, guys, you can just simply put in something like download or click here. So once you type in something like this, maybe I'm just going to go on to highlighting this, click on the chain icon, and you want to just simply go back to that particular notebook, copy the link to that particular landing page or CPA marketing offer, paste in the link right here, and once that has been done, click on save. Now you can actually do see that anybody that do click on this section that says click here is going to take them to my landing page first, which will also lead them to my URL file or CPA marketing offer for them to complete that offer, and I get paid some cool affiliate commission. So basically, guys, you can just simply draft out a very cool and eye-catchy description that's going to drag the attention of a lot of people. You can also go on to utilizing platforms like ChatSonic right now. Sign up to this platform, or the right Sonic right here, sign up to the platform, and you can just simply go on to utilizing this platform to write some cool and amazing copies. You can write email copies, ad copies, and any kind of copies you want to just simply utilize to promote such kind of offer right now. As you can see, you can sign up for free, no credit card required. Once you sign up for free, write cool copies that you can enable you to go on to utilizing to promote this ad right there, and you can then just simply scroll through, fill out all these other details appropriately. For the price right now, you can actually put that $0 for this particular city. You can actually go into selecting the city in the United States. If you want to target a city right now, you can put that. You can add some cool tags right now, and these tags, guys, are actually some cool stuff that could easily make your ad easily accessible. You could add tags like gift, giveaway, cash money, make money, or some cool stuff such as that. Now right now in this section, you can add your phone number, you could add your cool other details right now, and just simply complete this captcha. Now once you've completed the captcha, click on next, and your ad will be posted for absolutely free. So this is an amazing platform you want to leverage to drive a lot of traffic to your CPA offers, and you want to make sure you're promoting as many offers as you can. Be consistent with that, and you're going to make some cool cash right there in a matter of time. And you can see right now, guys, that you can post free ads. Do you have something to sell, to rent, any service to offer, or a job offer? Post it on AdStump. It's free for local business and very easy to use. Here's how to sell quickly right now, and you can see these are actually cool tips to help you go on to posting ads on such platforms. So leverage this, post ads, and just simply make money right now. So right now you can see this is just for the ad details. You can go on to the next phase for the photos, payment details, and finish right now. But since you want to post ad for free, you can post your ad for free. So guys, try this out right now to make a lot of money online. Now don't forget to go on to hitting the like button to the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.